Did you know that nearly 40% of adults in the US have high cholesterol? That's a staggering number. But what if I told you that some simple superfoods could help flip that script and get you back on track to better heart health? Stick around, because today we're diving into how you can lower your cholesterol fast with these amazing foods. All right, folks, let's talk superfoods. These little powerhouses are not just a trendy topic. They actually pack a punch when it comes to your health. Specifically, superfoods can play a crucial role in lowering cholesterol levels. If you're looking to boost your heart health and feel your best, understanding these superfoods is a game changer. So, let's jump right in. Now, we can't ignore the elephant in the room. High cholesterol is becoming more common in our society, and it's a major risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and even diabetes. With our busy lifestyles and the prevalence of processed foods, cholesterol levels are on the rise. It's alarming, but it's not hopeless. There are effective ways to combat this, and that's where our superfoods come into play. The importance of lowering cholesterol cannot be overstated. It's essential for a long and healthy life. So, let's uncover some solutions together. First up on our list is oats. Yes, those hearty oats you enjoy for breakfast. They contain soluble fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol absorption into your bloodstream. Just a bowl of oatmeal in the morning can start your day off right. Next, we can't forget about fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel. These guys are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to lower triglycerides and improve heart health. Aim to include them in your meals a couple of times a week. Now let's talk about nuts. Almonds and walnuts are not only tasty snacks, but also loaded with healthy fats and fiber. Studies show that just a handful a day can help lower LDL cholesterol, which is the bad kind. And don't overlook beans and legumes. They're packed with fiber and can easily be incorporated into soups, salads, or as a side dish. Lastly, berries are a delicious way to sweeten your diet while also lowering cholesterol. They're full of antioxidants, which can help keep your heart healthy. But wait, there's more. If you had to pick one standout superfood, let's highlight avocados. These creamy delights are bursting with monounsaturated fats that are fantastic for lowering bad cholesterol while raising good cholesterol. Plus, they're super versatile. You can throw them in salads, smoothies, or just enjoy them on toast. Another powerhouse is olive oil. Switching to extra virgin olive oil in your cooking can make a big difference. Studies have shown that it can lower cholesterol levels significantly. So, if you're looking to really optimize your heart health, make sure to get these two into your diet. To wrap things up, we've talked about some incredible superfoods like oats, fatty fish, nuts, beans, berries, avocados, and olive oil. Incorporating these into your daily meals can lead to substantial improvements in your cholesterol levels. Remember, small changes can lead to big health benefits, so don't underestimate the power of your diet. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite superfoods? Or have you tried any of these to help lower your cholesterol? Drop your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to check out my other videos for more tips on living a healthier life. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future health hacks. See you next time.